Alright, so we got an unboxing and testing of a Taramps HD 3000. This is the 1 ohm version, so let's take it out the box. And without dropping it, boy, it's packed pretty good, huh? Man, there's some strong plastic. Okay, what's in that? That's the, I guess the base. No, actually it's a little indicator with clipping. On, clipping, and protect. Let's see what this baby looks like. Oh, it's got a little fan on it. Yep. Speaker, power, crossover, and input. That's about it. So, I'm going to power this bad boy up. Run it on this Pioneer sub. And for base testing, and then we're going to run it on these 2 eminence and 2 PRV box and see what it sounds like. Alright, so we got it all hooked up. Let me see here. Where's the there's this little indicator that has clip, protect, and on. I wired this up with some 4-gauge OFC. And it's running off this thing here, lithium. Oh, let me move this wire. Excess power lithium 15K. And let's give it a test run. It's this little volume right here. The first one. Don't go too hard because I think it just might blow out that speaker. You could turn it up some more. So we're just testing out the bass right now. And then we're gonna try the highs. Wow, it's treating that speaker like a little toy. Oh, it's not clipping or anything.
Not bad.
God, I hate these fucking rebase saw. They take forever to start, man. What the fuck? It's like 3 minutes of listening to bullshit before it actually starts to play. Could just fast forward it. No, stop. It's almost starting. Wow, dude. This thing is insanely powerful.
Look, the app is moving.
Yep. Wow, I don't even want to turn it up anymore. Might blow out the woofer. Alright, so we just hooked up a little voltmeter on here. And we're at 13 and some change over here. That lithium don't play, boy. Shoot. For $1,500, it better do something. The fan's on for some reason. It's not even like warm at all. Oh, I got it to clip. Hold on. Keep in mind, this is a 4 ohm woofer and this amp is the 1 ohm version. So let's just see. Let me get the manual here. I think it's getting... Oh, I can't read Portuguese. Actually, it's only 1,140 watts on 4 ohms. So I figure on a nice 1 ohm load, you get the 3K out of here. All right, let's get